Every AI coding tool out there wants to charge you a monthly subscription. Some want $10, some want 20. And honestly, most of them aren't even worth a free trial. But I just found one that's completely, totally free. Not a trial, not a crippled demo, the real deal. And I've been shipping full apps with it for the past 2 weeks. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how to set it up in under 3 minutes, and how to start coding at the speed of thought, without paying a single cent. Let's get into it. The tool we're looking at today is Mimo Code. It's a terminal-based AI coding agent from Xiaomi's Mimo team, and one of the most interesting things about it is that it gives you access to several models completely free. That includes models like Mimo v2.5, v2.5 Pro, v2.5 Mini, and a few others, all available at zero cost. It works on both Windows and macOS. The first thing you need to do is open the GitHub page for Mimo Code. You can find the link in the description or simply search for Mimo Code GitHub in your browser. Once you're on the GitHub page, scroll down a little until you reach the installation section. Here, you'll find multiple installation commands for different operating systems. Choose the command that matches your system. Copy it, then open your terminal and paste it in. Press enter, and the installer will begin downloading the required packages and setting everything up automatically. Depending on your internet speed, the process usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the installation is complete, simply type Mimo and press enter. The first launch may take a few seconds while everything initializes, but after that, you're ready to go. And that's it. Mimo Code is now running on your machine. I have to admit, for a terminal-based coding agent, the interface looks surprisingly polished. The color theme, the layout, and the overall experience feel much more refined than I expected. Now that it's installed, let's configure it and see what it can actually do. Now, if you already have your own API provider, you can connect it here as well. You can even use coding plans that you've purchased from other providers. To do that, simply type /connect and press enter. You'll see an option called Add Provider, where you can connect external models and services. But for this video, we're focusing on the free option. So press Ctrl+P and select Switch Model. You'll now see several Xiaomi Mimo models available. Some of these require credits or a paid plan, but there's one model we're interested in, Mimo Auto Free. Select that model and activate it. You'll also notice options below for connecting other providers and accessing additional Mimo models if you want more flexibility later. For now, we're sticking with Mimo Auto Free. And just like that, you're ready to start using Mimo Code without spending anything. One thing to keep in mind is that this isn't an unlimited context model. Like most free services, there are usage limits and quotas in place. That said, the free tier is surprisingly generous for everyday development tasks. So now it's time for the real test. Let's see how well this model actually performs. For this test, I'm going to give it a prompt to generate a complete landing page. The prompt asks for a minimalistic blue and white themed website for a fictional biological research center called Ganglion, including fully populated demo content. I'll submit the prompt and let Mimo Code do its thing. Once I hit enter, the agent immediately begins generating the project. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump ahead to the final result.
2,000 years later.
As you can see, Mimo has finished the task successfully and generated a clean working build. One thing I really like here is the information panel on the right side. You can see the context being used, the model activity, token usage, and even the generation speed in tokens per second. Below that, you'll also find support for MCPs, so if you want to extend the agent with additional tools and integrations, you can do that as well. Now, let's take a look at the actual result. Honestly, is it the best landing page I've ever seen? No. But for a completely free model, it's actually pretty solid. It generated a proper hero section, multiple content sections, and a navigation header with working links connected to the correct sections of the page. And that's something I don't always see from coding models. Even some premium models occasionally generate navigation menus that aren't properly connected to the corresponding sections. In this case, everything was linked correctly from a single prompt. Overall, I don't think Mimo Auto is a perfect coding model. But considering that it's free, easy to access, and powered by multiple Mimo models behind the scenes, I think it's definitely worth trying. Especially if you're looking for a free AI coding agent without dealing with subscriptions or additional setup. And that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like. For more AI tools, coding agents, open source projects, and tech content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.